I be vibes in this, be vibes in this, vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this, be vibes in this. So Magnum Kings and Queens Season 11, Episode 8 was postponed, until next week due to the champs running and thing. I be your vibes in this. So Magnum just postponed the thing until next week. And they don't know the show will be back up and kicking and running. Come they are phoning the people. Be your vibes, Forget the information that is needed. Get a itch and hooked on the trending topics. Cause me myself they look forward for it coming every member, Say me sit down there on my TV. Me I say about weird. Champs now go on. So that's what me now go on. Cause when I time them they go to the venue, See me I say, yeah, if you go hold a vibration, if you can see it in person and feel the vibe so we can give the ones them live commentary. So people you don't know the face art no look normal, cause this a feel lowest sport them, see me I say. A Saturday night, 8:30, 9 o'clock people are saggle up cause you don't know the thing have to go on. And the face art for go kick off between Ava, Dan and Bad Girl Jade. You see me I say them I kick with the thing wicked. You see it I know say Ava Dan, she have the thing a certain way. You see me I say, yeah, Ava Dan bad people. Me don't know still in the Bad Girl Jade I hear. But Ava Dan go on do the thing, girl. And then, pan youth them side now, my youth have a kind of stop humble, cause the humble kid thing they now go work out in a battlefield. You know what I mean? Kevani, yeah man, you don't know them two youth, they go kick it off certain way. See me I say? In a face off segment pan the King and Queen. Alright, they say it there. Abadan and Bad Girl Jade, humble kid and Kevani. You know what I mean, people? Right, they say it there. No Magnum Kings and Queen last night, but people, you know what I mean? Them a jump up and down for Calabar. You know what I mean? Them just Calabar right now. To me see it, Calabar take it in living colors, cause from the beginning of the champs, Calabar the strong team, Calabar the team, everybody has support. Big up to KC and other participating teams who participate in the champs. That's where it is. That's where it is. So Magnum they have to give the people and the privilege to see it. History in the making right here. So, it's your boy Grizzly Bear, Bear Facts, Bear Vibes TV, and I'm out. I be vibes in this, bear vibes in this, vibes in this, bear vibes in this, bear vibes in this, bear vibes in this.